How to connect your FedEx account to Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your FedEx account to Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify store. Once you're in, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Then, select Apps and Sales Channels and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now, in the App Store, type FedEx into the search bar and press Enter. You will see several apps that you can use to connect FedEx to your store. Make sure to check each app's details to confirm that they support FedEx shipping options. Once you've chosen an app, open it, review the features, and click Install. After installing the app, you'll be prompted to log in and connect your FedEx account. Just follow the on-screen instruction to complete the connection process. And that's it! You have successfully connected your FedEx account to Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.